a product we've had on Zaz many times before, the Digital Therapy Massager. Now this product's never had a video before, but I kind of feel it's earned the right to have one. So let's get into it. So there's a hell of a lot of different functions with this machine, which I won't go into now because if I did, this video would probably go for about 10 to 15 minutes. But anyway, basically using this machine is really simple. You connect the pads to the electrode wires, you connect that to the machine, you pop the batteries in, you switch the machine on, and you put the pads on the affected areas that you want to treat. It's really that simple. As you can see, I've got the electrode pads attached to the arm right now. I'm going to switch the unit on. I reckon I'm going to go for a nice traditional massage. So I'm just going to press mode. It's on massage. 5 minutes will probably do me. So I will press time. It's gone to 5 minutes. Obviously I'm going to go to strong, so I will hit that and it should start working. Oh, I can feel the electric pulses coming through the arm right now. Really is a very invigorating kind of tingle. Just what the doctor ordered. Whew. Now a digital therapy massager such as this can really help you with things like arthritis, sore joints, muscular pains, sciatica, headaches, even things like period pain and psoriasis. Actually, I'm not sure about psoriasis. That just popped in my head. I think it's one of those things that my grandmother had, but let's not worry about that now. Basically, the message is that this is really useful for all sorts of body aches. Right, so as I mentioned, there's heaps of different functions that really suits anybody's needs. It's a great alternative to using drugs to fix your ailments, and if it's something that you feel that you can get benefit from, I encourage you to grab yours today because, as we say on Zaz, it's not going to be available tomorrow.